Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Your friend MHB with new video titled Things to Do. Focus on realistic expectation for yourself and situation. Choose one big goal to work on in order to make a lasting change. Ask for help sooner rather than later. Consult or get a second opinion. Another beautiful quote: differentiate what you can and what you cannot change. Find a creative outlet. Help someone else in need. Keep a positive attitude by remaining focused on solutions, skills, and strengths. Look for lesson. Challenging situation can often teach us what we have left to learn. Make a goal of your life. Very beautiful advice. Spend time with people who support you. Another beautiful advice. Take care of people. Treat yourself with love and respect. Thanks for watching today's video, ending with this praise. Allah Almighty bless us and grant us lot of happiness with long life. Ameen. Allah Hafiz. Friends, subscribe MHB Channel01 if not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon also.